Well, Math Talk is crucial when using open up resources, mainly because most activities require students to actively participate and practice the four C's. As you read through the teacher guide, you find that each activity is another opportunity for students to interact and collaborate in order to solve problems. In fact, collaboration seems to be the cornerstone of Open Up, while teachers are merely just facilitators of the conversation. This can be challenging when the curriculum is new to both you and your students, when students have difficulty accessing the curriculum or you perceive that they will have difficulty, and or when students are just unsure of how to communicate academically. There's an article linked here from Education Week, getting students to talk about math, help solve problems. And in it, it says that research suggests that when students talk more about their math thinking, they are more motivated to learn and they learn more. Talking about math thinking can also serve as a stealth form of assessment for us teachers. It really gives us insight into what students have mastered and where they still need help without having to give an exit ticket or some sort of formative or summative assessment. But we can't expect these conversations to just happen organically, especially in 2022. When we think about where our students are now compared to where our students were prior to 2020, the difference is staggering. Our current students were in elementary school during the pandemic. Instead of getting the opportunity to collaborate with classmates and learn how to socialize with one another, they spent almost 2 years behind a computer screen, barely turning on the camera, unmuting to share, or even typing in the chat. I can recall how I would put my students in breakout rooms for math talk just to find all the cameras off and everyone muted. Math talk was pretty much non existent. If we fast forward to today, we're asking them to not only learn and understand math content and standards, but to have a dialogue around it. In order to do this, we really have to teach students explicitly how to have math conversations. Things that come naturally to us because we've had practice won't come naturally to them. So we have to teach them how to do it. But before we can even do that, it's important for us as teachers to really have a clear understanding of what Math Talk is and what it looks like in action.